Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, here we are in the Stag. Oh, I've so missed driving this car. It's been a while since I've had this car out, so I thought I'd make an update video for you. I bought a fantastic vehicle and it's on its way. This is to replace the Range Rover. I'm wanting a 7-seater. What the hell's going on here? Yeah, so anyway, I'm wanting a 7-seater car. So I can't wait. What the hell is going on here? Some sort of funeral going on, guys. I think it's bikers. I know everybody, me. Yeah, this looks like a funeral cortege with a lot of bikers. So a famous biker must have died. Guys, I didn't say what's going on here. Come on, lads. Well anyway, where was I? Yeah, I bought a vehicle and it should be here in September, so there's the clue. You're gonna love this one. So yeah, with the Range Rover, it's just not big enough for what we need. We go all over the country now. I've been racking my brains, what can I get next for that? But anyway, I found one, and wait till you see what's coming, guys and girls. You're gonna love it. So the Triumph Stag still for sale. I think the classic car market, you know, I'm really going to miss this car when it finally does go, because days like today, this is the first really nice day that we've had for a while, because all it's done is rain, and then he said something else, and rain, and rain. But it's just so nice to get this car out. It sounds awesome. I so love this car, so whoever's going to get this car in the end, I'm going to be quite jealous of you, because it's so nice to drive. God, how good this car sounds. Let's just listen to it. Burbling away, listen to it. Top down, just absolutely fantastic day. Yeah, so yeah, that's a bit of an update. If anybody's interested in the Triumph Stag and you see me over at Classic Car Show, the next one I'm trying to get over at Newby on Sunday. But the thing is, I've been really busy on the weekends. Plus the weekends have been really, you know, the weather's been shocking. So when it's pouring down, I don't think many people go to classic car shows. Last one I was at was at Stokesley. So everyone left about 12:30. So again, it's weather dependent on these shows. Like I say, guys, if you're after a really nice classic car, this one's sorted. She's ready to go. She sounds awesome, and I've so missed driving this thing. I've been really busy with the band. You know, I play with the V12 band. Tomorrow we've got a big festival at Shildon. We'll be supporting Big Country. You remember the 80s band, Big Country? So we're third on the bill. It's us. Then it's E17. and then big country. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. I'm hoping the rain holds off. It's going on about it's got to rain again, but it is really spoiling the summer festivals and the classic car shows. So yeah, this is just a short and sweet video I'm making, just giving you an update on the Triumph Stag. She is gorgeous, running absolutely gorgeous. So if there's anyone out there who's wanting a Stag, this is ready to go, guys and girls. She drives so nice, sounds so nice. Like I say, it's been what? I think the last one was at least 2 months ago since I've been in this car. You can all catch me at Newby Classic Car Show. Hopefully it'll be this Sunday, weather dependent and depending what time I finish this festival, because if I get up and it's pouring down, I ain't going. But if it's nice and beautiful, you'll catch me there. And if there's someone looking for a classic car, come over and have a look at it. You're very welcome to come over, have a good chat. I'll take you right around the car, even take you for a test drive if you want. But honestly guys, it's so nice when the weather's nice. It's so nice to have a convertible, and a cool convertible. I say this is a guy's convertible. I used to say convertibles are for girls, you know, but I think this is a cool guy's convertible. And obviously I'm in God's country, beautiful North Yorkshire. The roads out here are just really nice, not that busy. Yes, I know I've got a woolly hat on in the warm. I just like to keep the sun off my head. Need to look right for the festival tomorrow, guys. I'm really looking forward to it. We're really gonna knock this out the park, so to say. Should be a few thousand there. So yeah, if you're down there, come and check the V12, not V2, V12. It was me who named the band. It's my love of, you know, I am a petrol head. I love it. The best sounding, in my opinion, the best sounding engine is Michael Schumacher's 3 litre V12 Ferrari engine. It used to scream beautiful. The V12s are the best sounding engines on the planet. You know me, what's all about the electric thing. I don't care how fast they are, how fast the acceleration, I will never have an electric car. V12 will be my final car before I go. Probably going to hell, but hey, haha. But anyway, come and say hi over at Newby on Sunday if I'm there. You can't miss me. Tall guy with a woolly hat on. It's a bit of my trademark now, isn't it? But yeah, come over. I'll take you around the car, take you for a test drive if you're interested. We'll talk about the price. The car's worth every penny in my opinion. I mean, it's just ready to go. You don't need to do anything. It's all been done, guys and girls. So on that note, seats are bubbling up.